keep up with the growth of e-commerce and the expectations consumers have for fast shipping, retailers have supplemented traditional labor with warehouse automation. Order fulfillment robots are helping fuel today's economy, ushering in a transformative era of efficiency and convenience.
Well, there's several great reasons to choose automation. One is productivity. The decision for Ship8 here was driven by a labor shortage. So they couldn't hire the number of people they needed. And so this automation really releases that stress from them. They know they can get their orders out the door because they have the automation and the productivity that comes from that.
This is one of Ship8's fully automated warehouses located in Savannah, Georgia. Ship8 fulfills orders on behalf of the USA's largest big box retailers, mostly in the home goods sector.
Ship8 is a full-service 3PL logistics provider, and we have a proven track record for operational excellence. Here in Savannah, we have 2.4 million square feet, and we're within 15 minutes to the Port of Savannah. So we can pick up containers from the port and get them into our buildings very quickly. We're able to handle a full service for our customers, from picking it up at the port, bringing it into our warehouse, storing it, and then shipping it to the end consumer.
When you order an item online, that order typically goes to a distribution center or fulfillment center. An autonomous mobile robot is a robot that is able to move through a warehouse and pick items needed for those orders as fast as possible.
If something's coming in the door, rather than manually moving it from point A to point B and recording that, we do that automatically on a conveyor or an AMR, and faster. It's also error checked, and the automation does know what to do next.
Mobile warehouse automation can solve systemic logistics, supply chain, and order fulfillment pain points for companies while creating innumerable benefits for their end consumers. Retailers around the world choose flexible, scalable warehouse automation to address storage constraints, efficiency gaps, and labor shortages in their facilities.
As you can see by everything going on behind me, it is an awesome thing to look at. And it really had to do with coming up with a solution that encompassed everything that we do. When you start with receiving and checking product in and how that product comes into the inventory, and then on the outbound side, how it's tracked and how it's shipped, it really is a game changer when you look at all those things being automated. About 70% of the orders that come out of this building are e-commerce. We also have wholesale items that come out of the building and ship to our customers' distribution centers.
In warehouses that don't use robots, picking is a much slower process. For example, that operator oftentimes has to get on a forklift, go up and down aisles, learn thousands of warehouse locations, and that's where our robots come in. The operator is allowed to stay stationary, and all the items needed to fulfill that order are brought to them. So it's a more ergonomic and safe environment for the warehouse associate, but also their picking efficiency is so much faster.
Due to its potential to revolutionize operations, robotics is increasingly becoming a crucial element in all aspects of global industry. Geekplus is a leading global technology company specializing in software and robotics-driven logistics for warehouse and manufacturing operations. Geekplus empowers companies across diverse industries worldwide with powerful logistics solutions. Their new innovation center just outside Atlanta, Georgia, showcases the company's most technologically advanced robotics solutions.
Without being able to see in the future predictably for some number of years, 5, 10 years, we know we have to be adaptable and flexible enough to change. AMRs really are the solution to that challenge. I can invest in AMRs and add more robots every year. I can pick the robots up and move them, some on the East Coast, some on the West Coast. So I have ultimate flexibility of racking and vehicles with this type of technology. That kind of future-proofs what we're doing.
Geekplus is at the forefront of innovation in robotics and automation, empowering clients to grow and meet tomorrow's challenges with cutting-edge, efficient solutions.
What makes Geekplus different is the amount of robotic solutions that we have in our portfolio, all running on the same robotics platform.
My favorite part about working with the robots is probably that there's always something new. Where other AMR providers might provide one product line or another product line, we can really flex all of our product lines and show them working together in unison under this one roof. From sorting to picking to robo shuttle, pop pick, four-way shuttle, it's all displayed here in the Innovation Center.
For more information, visit www.geekplus.com.